Hi, so today I'll be showing you how to check your ink levels on a HP Deskjet 3070A. So to start with, you'll want to go into the maintenance, which is this little spanner. So if you click on that, it'll take you to this page. If you scroll down, you can see ink levels, and you just press OK, which is this button here. This is now telling me that 3 of the cartridges are very close to finishing and the one on the left is very empty, so they will need changing. There's a good chance you're watching this video because of a print quality issue. If you are, please see our other videos on how to clean the print head. Hopefully this has helped. If it has, please let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, please let us know with a comment. Otherwise, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.